Here's a 2016 Audi A3. Whether you are cruising down the highway, on a country back road, or navigating the crowded city streets, this A3 is prepared to show off. As a compact car, it is already easy to park downtown, but the Parking System Plus with rear-view camera makes this process even simpler. The interior is loaded with the features you would expect from an Audi, including dual-zone climate control, leather seats, and Bluetooth. This A3 also comes with Audi Presense, supplying the road safety that you've only dreamed of. Leave an impression. Speed off in this outstanding Audi A3 today. It's a 2016 Audi A3. This is all the evidence you need to know that small can be powerful. This compact luxury sedan leaves nothing for you to want. From impressive power to luxury features to efficiency, this A3 can do it all. The turbocharged engine is the essence of performance, paired with the 6-speed S-Tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission. With leather seats and dual-zone climate control, driving comfort was clearly made a top priority. Parking System Plus with a rear-view camera makes parking this compact easier than you could imagine. Compromise no more. Make this Audi A3 yours today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.